Hello everyone, I'm Jon Douglas, President of MAHLE Aftermarket North America. My team and I are out here at the King of Hammers again, supporting our partners and running the best parts on the market. Today we're going to focus on cabin air filters. We're currently running a promotion focused on Jeeps, Gladiators and Wranglers, JKs and JLs, and so I'm going to show our partners here just how easy it is to change a cabin air filter. Because when you're in conditions like this, in order to keep your AC working properly and keep your cabin clean, you need a good quality cabin air filter. So I'm going to step inside this Jeep JL, it happens to be the 392 version, and use a MAHLE LAO 1636. So take a look. Changing a cabin air filter in a Jeep Gladiator or Wrangler is quite simple. The cabin air filter is located behind the glove box. This requires no tools and just a couple of minutes to be done. So first, you open the glove box, press the release, the glove box will fold down. Of course, the contents will slide a little bit. Then you'll see a door on the left side. You pinch this together, it levers out, pulls out. Then you see the cabin air filter. So because it's somewhat accordion shaped, you push it over to the left and it slides right out. You can see this is the original Mopar version, and just after a few months you can see just how dirty it is. You can see the white is in the crevices, and this car just arrived at King of Hammers today. So in the MAHLE box, look to see the direction of airflow, and again the reverse of what we saw, so accordion it just a little bit to get it in, to get it started. Then it slides right past the kick panel grill, expands to fulfill. There we go. Clicks in. Then as you bring the contents back in the glove box, you notice there's a guide on the left side. Make sure it slides in the plastic piece on the left side. And back in, and there you go. Complete. Just like that. Again, function of the cabin air filter is critical to keep the inside of the vehicle clean, but also to keep your AC functioning properly. A clogged air filter will limit the airflow across the evaporator coil, and therefore the AC is not really effective and could cause damage to your system. So keep that in mind, and when you change your cabin air filter, use the best parts in the market. MAHLE.